Time for me to get some new glasses. It's been about 3 years since I had a prescription done, and the glasses that I have on I bought at ibuydirect.com. Now if you don't know what that is, that's one of these websites where you take your prescription from your doctor, you send it to them, and you get a pair of glasses really cheap, sometimes as cheap as 10 bucks. I think I paid 20 for these, frames, lenses, and all. And I have a pretty good astigmatism. Anyway, my eye doctor, he has a machine that he can put these glasses in and tell the exact prescription that's in the glasses. I want to know how accurate is iBuyDirect. How accurately are they making this prescription? I'm going to find out. So I went to my eye doctor, and he has an amazing office. I'm going to tell you, I mean, it is stocked with the state-of-the-art in technology and stuff for eyes. He took an image of the inside of my eye and showed me a 3D model of it. Really impressive. It really was. So they took my glasses, the ones, these right here, that I got from iBuyDirect, and they put them in their machine, and they gave me a printout, and it matched exactly the prescription that I'd gotten from my last visit to Walmart Vision Center. They had made the glasses exactly perfectly. So I thought that was impressive. So I went ahead and had my eye exam, and my prescription changed very minimally. So I'm going to buy some more glasses from iBuyDirect. Now, if you haven't been there, they have this tool where you can take a picture of yourself and see what you look like in the glasses. I'm going to call this tool very flawed. You know, it doesn't always get things right, and they just look unnatural, and you can't wear it. There's no substitution. There's the word. There's no substitution for going into your eye doctors and putting these glasses on your face and looking side to side and see how you look in them and being able to choose the ones that you like. There's no substitution for that. But for an extra pair of glasses, and when your glasses maybe get a little old but you're not ready to go back to the eye doctor yet, it's a good option, because sometimes going back to the eye doctor before your insurance is ready for you to can be very expensive. So anyway, I was going to put that out for my experience with iBuyDirect. I'm pretty happy with them. I like it. I updated my prescription. Now, one thing I want to tell you. If you go to your eye doctor, they're going to give you the prescription. They're going to leave off the pupillary distance. That's the distance between your eyes. Now, they have a method for you to measure your own pupillary distance. They show on iBuyDirect, but it's a lot easier to get it from your eye doctor. And both times that I've been to Walmart and to my eye doctor and I've asked, they've given me the pupillary distance. They weren't really secretive about it, but they don't make it easy for you. It's not going to be on your prescription, so when you go, make sure to ask for that pupillary distance. Anyway, my review, iBuyDirect, yeah, I did check, and I paid $40 for these lenses and all, which is compared to this doctor visit that I just had was significantly more expensive. Now, these are single vision. My new glasses coming are going to be no line bifocal. They're going to be progressive lenses. So that's going to make, I'm sure that makes quite a bit of difference in the price and stuff. But I'm going to give them an A+. You know, iBuyDirect did me right, and they did okay by me.